Test it. This is a fake SD card from Xiaomi. I have to open up and test it. Otherwise, how do you know? SD card is already inside. I need to use a screen recorder to record, otherwise it's difficult to see using a camera. This is the SDXC card, 64 gig, yeah, it's new. Use space, nothing, empty. This is a Xiaomi. Okay, let's copy this onto the SD card. This is a camera recording and also doing a screen recording. Try to copy until 62 gig. This is a fake SD card Xiaomi. See, there's an error here. I can't copy full. See the error here? If I try to try again, it doesn't allow me to copy. Just keep this one first. Oh, now I can't copy the others. Oh, I can't copy the rest at all. So I'm going to do a cancel here. I'll skip for all. Yeah. So up to here, about 80 minutes. So this is Xiaomi. And let me just do a property check. Free space 42 gig, but nothing can go in anymore.
We have to do everything function.
We have the same result like before, so let's check if the other router
Oh, look at that. Look at that. File name becomes like this. Look at the file name. This is a fake SD card.
要关注我的视频，点击
Subscribe.